is massive. Wicked, wicked. Jungle is massive. Wicked, wicked. Jungle is massive. Wicked, wicked. Jungle is massive. Well, big up. All the original jungle is massive.
Well, we made it and it was well worth it. Flip the camera, G. How about that for a view?
Dancing.
What are you missing, Cal?
The sound is really bad because of the guitar.
So this is our bedroom for the night. Finally made it.
Smile, Marvel.
Hey?
Smile.
No. So we're just about to have some food now. And picturesque scenery, surroundings.
Oh, God, what?
Happy birthday to you. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, mate.
No, up. Down, down. Over there, down.
Okay.
No more up.
Oh my God. No. No. Oh my God.
Yes. Careful, huh? Big one.
Oh, that is. Oh. Guys, look at this.
Ah, yes.
You can't get it from this, but this is as big as a hand. This is like my worst nightmare, and it's right next to the toilet. Oh look, it is a tarantula, isn't it?
Yeah. Variety of.
See how I'm at the back? Why are you throwing things at it? Please say it's plastic. Someone's put it there as a joke. Is it plastic? It's plastic.
No, it's moved.
No, don't do it this direction. You better watch the floor wherever you go, mate.
Ouais, il est beau. Non, mais c'est pas. Mais t'inquiète, il a l'habitude après.
Il a les gants quand même.
Oh, he's... What?
Barbecue.
Thank you. Alright guys, this is my current surrounding. This is what I got to sleep in after seeing that massive spider on the floor. Mozzie, full trackie on, socks, job done. Right, so we made it through the night. How was your night sleeping in a hut?
It makes me know one thing. I never want to be out of a job and homeless, because that hurts your backside and your hips.
Well, I'm out of a job, but thankfully I'm not homeless.
No.
But my hips are in bits. But when you come out of the hut and you wake up to this, it makes it all worthwhile.
Beautiful.
So we've just had breakfast and we're about to go down the hill. 2 hours again. Gary's looking forward to that.
Downhill only.
But there was a massive waterfall at the bottom and there's some kind of swimming pool or lagoon or something, so it'll be worth it. So stick with us, and I've got to stop saying so as well. And Gary's got his walking stick, thinks that's going to help him on the way down. Not sure what that's going to do, mate. So we've been up an hour and the guy's got me trekking again. This guy's moaning about his socks. Moaning about his socks now.
I ain't saying nothing.
So about 20 minutes in, I'm sweating like a slave, and the thing that's worrying me the most is I keep hearing hisses from the bushes and you can't see shit here. Look.
The jungle.
Proper jungle. No proper path. Just carving our own way through this.
You could rest there for 1 week and then it's finished.
1 week and it's good.
When you walk in mountain, it's very good.
You know all that time that you work in the mountain, Gary, yeah? Well, we made it, just. Don't know how far left to go.
Our tour guys sitting there making cups out of bamboo.
Oh yeah.
Well, we made it just. T-shirt is absolutely wet through. Gary looks like he's about to have a heart attack. And the rest of them are fine, everybody's fine. It's just me and Gary.
Hello! Cheers everybody! Cheers.
So we've just finished with the elephants. We got to feed them, we got to cover them in mud, cover ourselves in mud, and we got to wash them all off in the water, which was a very, what did you call it? Majestic
watching them.
Majestic experience. Does that work? Majestic experience.
They're majestic animals.
They're majestic animals apparently, and it's majestic watching them, but yeah, it was amazing. But it was very good. Now we're at the Long Neck Tribe village. See what these have got to say.
departure. Crystal 36,000 meters. Upload ahead, wind.
So we're back out again, a bit of a struggle, but we're out meeting the Junglist crew, the Junglist Massive, for a meal and a few little changs, I think. Hey! We're here. We're here having a meal on our own in the restaurant. I'll take photos in a minute. With our friends. Our friends from the trek. The video.
Ah, vidéo.
Encore. Ouais, c'est vrai. C'est une apparence. C'est difficile.
Sorry, man.
Mais là, même l'apparence chez nous, elle n'existe plus.
Balou. Balou.
Les gens, c'est maintenant. Depuis que.
Hello. Hey. Hello.
Gary is definitely getting his groove on.
On prend un petit geste.
Having a meal and going home hasn't happened. We're now going to a bar to drink some more beer, some more Chang. Our German friends, they're going home.
Yes.
They have an early day tomorrow, going to Pai. And
French.
yeah, French are the same party animal. German friends are leaving us.
Good night.
They're having an early night. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you.
I got you under my skin, yeah. You are a bad, bad man. Care about no one else but you under your skin, yeah, yeah. It's just a sad, sad man. Don't have no one else. What you trying to prove? Ooh. 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 When do you take the time?
Am I the only one that's not bald? I think I am. Go on, Gary. Go on, Gary, lad. Go on, Gary, lad. There we go. Legend.
Under my skin. Got you, yeah. Under my skin. Got you, yeah.
I don't know what's happening. I don't know what's happening. We're going somewhere. Well, I don't know where.
Apparently, I'm El Diablo.
You need to look at the lens, not the screen. Look at the lens. Go on. There you go. I don't know. I want to get out.
You want to get out?
They just tried to get us in here, in this random club in the middle of nowhere. I don't know what this is.
It's not good.
Ooh, it's a little bit weird.
My friends, I love you. In Thailand, and French guys are not very so friendly. They are very bad men.
I don't know it.